So yeah, these are all from Muscle Car City, which, like I said, used to be in Punta Gorda. And so all these cars, they look like his personal collection. So I know he kept a whole ton of Corvettes. Wow. Okay. Muscle Car City, yeah. All right, let's take a look over here. The Z28. Now, is this the Z28 we just featured? This one could have been, let me see, if this one from Texas, let's see. If this is that one owner from Texas, we just featured this when it was sold over in Lakeland. Let's see. Matching numbers, correct. Front. I don't know. This looks just like the one we saw from Texas at the Carlisle auction about 2 months ago. So it may be that one. I'm not sure, but very cool regardless. All right. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.